Connect any creative tool to any site, and your assets sync automatically. No uploads, no plugins, no manual compression. Syncific is the first sync platform built for the AI native web, with a patent-pending broker that connects your creative tools to every site you publish. Explore where your visual content originates, from professional tools to cloud storage. View all available integrations that connect seamlessly to your existing creative ecosystem. Connect directly to Lightroom, ensuring your professionally edited photos flow automatically to destinations. Sync one image or a batch. We'll show you what's current and what needs another push. Choose where your content lands: websites, portfolios, client galleries. Pick the destinations your content flows to automatically. Route this content to every client site simultaneously, eliminating manual uploads forever. Manage all your delivery endpoints, from WordPress sites to custom platforms. Expand your network by connecting new client sites or additional delivery channels. Add a destination: WordPress, Shopify, HubSpot, Contentful, Webflow, or any webhook endpoint. Organize clients and projects into collections for targeted content distribution strategies. Create custom groupings that reflect your business structure and client relationships. Configure auto-sync rules that push content when cassettes are updated from the source. No manual intervention needed. Visualize the complete journey from source to destination, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Browse your sync history month by month. Filter your sync map history by source, destination, and status, all in one place. Collaborate effortlessly by inviting clients to review, approve, or access their dedicated content portals. Send site invites to connect to unlimited destinations. Invite a client or webmaster to connect their own site. They authorize through their own login. You get a destination. No password sharing, no admin handoffs. Create fresh visual variations using AI. New compositions, styles, or formats in seconds. Automatically compress and format images for faster load times without sacrificing visual quality. Swap outdated images and update in place across multiple WordPress sites instantly, keeping your brand fresh and consistent. Let AI generate SEO-optimized titles, alt text, and descriptions that boost discoverability. Let AI draft metadata in seconds, then refine the messaging and keywords where precision matters. Nothing publishes until you approve it. Receive intelligent recommendations to improve image performance, accessibility, and search rankings. Access actionable insights that help you make data-driven decisions about your visual content strategy. Experiment with different image versions to discover what resonates best with your audience. Create and test unlimited variations to optimize engagement and conversion rates. Scan your sites to uncover broken images, missing alt text, and performance bottlenecks. Dive into specific site health, revealing exactly which images need attention and why. Track every sync, update, and change across your entire content network in real time. Stay informed with webhook alerts about important events, issues, or opportunities requiring your attention. Manage team members, assign roles, and control who has access to specific workspaces. Switch between different client accounts or business divisions without losing context or re-authenticating. View aggregated performance across all client sites, perfect for agencies managing multiple portfolios. Switch between workspaces in a click. Each one keeps its own destinations and sync history. Transform your content workflow today.